విజయ్ యాంటనీ గారు మాట్లాడతారు.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Thank you so much for your love and affection. Thank you so much. This movie is releasing on July 26th, right, sir? So I want to watch this movie in theaters with you. Okay, please watch it in the theater. Thank you so much for your love and affection. And I will do one live concert soon in Hyderabad. Okay, thank you. For you now, Tufan, yeah. Tufan, my director, sorry. Tufan, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, sir. Wonderful movie. He has done excellent movie and he's a cinematographer come director. He has given excellent, brilliant visuals in the movie. And the plot of the movie will be definitely unique. You will definitely enjoy this movie. And thank you for this opportunity, producer, sir. Thank you so much. And we have done a wonderful pair in this movie. Thank you, thank you. What? Photo. Song. Which song? தமிழ்லையா? தமிழ்ல பேச சொல்றாங்க. தமிழ்லையா? எந்த பாட்டு பாடலாம்? ஆத்திச்சூடியா? நாகமுக ஓகேவா? டான்ஸ் ஆடுவீங்களா? எல்லாம் டான்ஸ் ஆடுவீங்களா? ரெடியா? 1 மூச்சு விடாம பாடணும், ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஓகே. மாடு செத்தா மனுஷன் நான் தோல்ல வச்சு மேல கட்டி அர்ரர்ரா நாகமுக மாடு செத்தா மனுஷன் நான் தோல்ல வச்சு மேல கட்டி அர்ரர்ரா நாகமுக அர்ரர்ரா நாகமுக அர்ரர்ரா நாகமுக. Thank you so much. Thank you. We'll meet soon in Success Party. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay ji. Thank you so much.
Not enough. We need one more song from him. One more song from him.
Definitely, yeah. Sir, one more song. Any song.
That line theriyadhe. So I don't know the lyrics, but sorry. Idu vanda devulle kalisochina.
Such a beautiful, such a emotional song adi.
English lines, please.
So బిచ్చగాడు ఫిలిం నుంచి విజయ్ గారితో పాటు మీరందరూ పాడాలి.
vanda devulle kalisochina.
I know ఆ లిరిక్స్ అందరికీ తెలుసని.
Yes, బిచ్చగాడు 3 2026 summer. Thank you.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు బిచ్చగాడు నుంచి మనం ఆ పాట విందాము. సో అందరూ ప్లీజ్, ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఎవ్రీబడి.
So I'm going to sing vanda devulle kalisochina for you. vanda devulle kalisochina amma nilaga చూడలేరమ్మా, కోట్ల సంపదే అందించిన నువ్విత్త ప్రేమే దొరకదమ్మా, నా రక్తమే ఎందించిన నీ త్యాగాలనే మించునా, నీ రుణమే తీర్చాలంటే ఒక జన్మైన సరిపోదమ్మా, నడిచేటి కోవెల నీవేలే. Thank you. I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So that was amazing. Anyhow, we are not ending here. ఇంకా ఉంది మనకి Q&A session as I promised you before. So ఇప్పుడు
So did you like Tufan trailer? You like the trailer? We'll play it once again. Thank you.
Yeah, we have a Q&A session with your fans.
Yeah.
So they will ask questions to you.
Yes,
so
please.
ఎవరు అడుగుతున్నారు?
Yeah. Shall I come?
Who's going to ask first? Take the mic.
Yeah.
హలో, హాయ్ సార్.
Hi.
నాకు 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అందులో క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పేశారు. బిచ్చగాడు 3.
Yeah, 2026 summer.
సో మీరు బిచ్చగాడు 1 తీసినప్పుడు 500,000 నోట్స్ బ్యాన్ అయిపోయినాయి.
Yeah. Now
2 తీసినప్పుడు 2,000 బ్యాన్ అయిపోయింది.
Yes.
సో మీరు 3 తీసినప్పుడు ఏ బ్యాన్ అవుతుంది నెక్స్ట్?
మొత్తం గాలి.
యూపీఐ బ్యాన్ అయిపోద్ది నెక్స్ట్.
మొత్తం గాలి. నో పైసా. I think so.
నెక్స్ట్ మీ సినిమాలు ఏమైనా మోడీ గారు ఏమైనా సినిమాలు చూస్తారా మీవి?
No understanding, but it's happening automatically.
Sir, your movies is watching Modi or not? our Prime Minister.
I think he's watching me.
Definitely, sir. That's why.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
అంతేనా 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నారు అదేనా అండ్ ఓకే ఆస్క్
Hi, sir. Sir, hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I'm fine. I love you.
So, అందరికి మీ మూవీస్ అంటే బిచ్చగాడునే గుర్తొస్తుంది.
Thank you.
But I remember Salim is your extraordinary performance.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Thank you for giving us Salim.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Mega Akash. Hi, Mega. Hi. So, I would like to say one word, like, you are as beautiful as a rainbow in a monsoon season.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for being such a cute.
Thank you for being so sweet.
Yeah.
விஜய்னா
Yes.
கோயம்புத்தூர்ல இருந்து வரேன்.
அப்படியா? சொல்லுங்கப்பா. Thank you.
உங்களை பார்த்தா ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
Thank you, thank you.
கான்செப்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே நான்
Thank you, thank you.
எனக்கு இதுல என்ன ஒரு क्वेश्चनனா ட்ரைலர் பார்த்தோம். அதுல கடைசில பாத்தீங்கன்னா சலீம்னு ஒரு இது இருந்துச்சு. நான் அதுக்கப்புறம் சலீம் அதுக்கப்புறம் மழை பிடிக்காத மனிதன் இதுல ஏதாவது ஒரு கனெக்ட் இருக்குங்களா?
ஒரு சின்ன கனெக்ட் இருக்கும் ஆக்சுவலா.
ஓகே ஓகே
சின்ன கனெக்ட் கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும்.
ஓகே நான் இங்க வைபுக்கு ஓஜி கான்சர்ட் நான் வெயிட் பண்றேன்.
Thank you.
மேகா ஆகாஷ் மேம். Hi.
Hi.
If I just see you, just one lyrics comes to my mind. நான் பிழைப்பேனோ மூச்சு வாங்குது.
Thank you.
And Vijay Milton sir.
One second.
சார் நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? நான் உங்களோட பெரிய ஃபேன். 10ன்றதுக்குள்ள படம் கோலி சோடா எல்லா இடத்துலயும் ஷூட்டிங் ஸ்பாட்ஸ் நான் இருந்திருக்கேன். ஆமா சார் கோவை புதுரை அண்ட் கோயம்போடு எல்லாருமே அண்ட் கோலி சோடா அடுத்த பார்ட் ஏதாவது இருக்குங்களா சார்? அதுக்கு அடுத்து
1.5.
ஓகே சார்
1க்கும் 2க்கும் நடுவுல.
ஓகே சூப்பர் சார் வெயிட்டிங் சார்.
Thank you sir.
హాయ్ సార్. హాయ్ సార్.
బెచ్చగాడు సినిమాకి విజయ్ తప్ప ఇంకెవరు కూడా సెట్ అవ్వరు.
Thank you ma, thank you ma.
అది మీరు దానికోసమే పుట్టారు.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mike.
మాలాడు తల్లుల హృదయంలో మీరే ఉన్నారు.
Thank you ma, thank you ma, thank you ma, thank you ma,
నా
thank you.
బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఇస్తాను.
Thank you ma, thank you ma.
బాగుండాలమ్మా మీరు.
Thank you, I will come.